Merry Christmas from Brooklyn. I love New York, and this is the world-renowned Dyker Heights Christmas Lights. And the origins can be traced to this block, 84th and 12th, to this house. It was Lucy Spata who put out 40 angels to honor a family member that had passed away in 1986. And some of those angels, actually, maybe even all 40, are still out on display to this day. And many have added even more. There may not be an inch of space left to decorate, but this is the spot where most people come and take a photo at this notorious location. But this is actually the story right here. 40 angels honoring a family member. And no sorrow is to be felt when you are here in Dyker Heights. It's quite a festive visit, and we'll do a quick walk down the block, which is very easy to get to from I Love New York. You can take the D train for only $2.75 to the 79th Street stop and just walk on over. And I gotta say, the walk is worth it, as you will see lights after lights, and every home does their house a little bit different, from the inflatables to the twinkle lights. And some of the lights will actually make music. I know many people who have driven by, but walking, it has a different experience. And I gotta say, I highly recommend it, even if you are not in the Christmas spirit. Once you get here, you'll see lots of happy people. And no one makes these residents participate in the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights. They do this out of their love for the holiday. And I gotta say, it translates into happiness and joy. But where do these people keep all these decorations? I heard a flatbed truck for some household comes in. Others hire professional decorators. We got a sign right here for one of those decorators. If you are interested in decorating your home Dyker Heights style. But it started with the love for the holiday, that holiday being Christmas. But we return to Brooklyn after the Christmas holiday is over to Coney Island. Another famous event is to participate in the polar plunge, which is jumping in the Atlantic Ocean to wash away a previous year and start anew. And I have already now, for the second time, done my polar plunge. I do it the same day as I visit the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights. So I will not be here on New Year's Day. I've already done my polar plunge. But if you wanted to, that would be, again, now the last stop on the D train. All right, that's a quick walking tour and a little bit of history of the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights. Now, if you don't celebrate Christmas, there are houses decorated in all blue. There was a Christmas enthusiast that married a Jewish woman, and they do a blue and white house, and I guess it would be the Hanukkah house. There's one house that's referred to as the Star Wars house. It's New York. There's something for everyone. Till next time, Merry Christmas from the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights of Brooklyn. Oh, wait a minute. There's some of those lights that sing. Listen. And that's why you should visit for yourself. Till next time, Merry Christmas.